Hello. Right, just a bit of an update before Cadwell Park. It's the 13th of April today, and Cadwell is the 23rd and 24th of April. So we've been working since the Silverstone race meeting on a few things. So we put new side pods on because they were looking a bit tatty, with new Rent Wirral sponsor, new nose cone. Again, that was all set up. Nice side pod this side. Haven't really done much else with this chassis apart from clean it down, check everything over. We put a new chain on again for Cadwell. It was a bit shorter than the other chain, so we just bought another one for the short gearing, and yeah, that's it. I've lost the data logger somewhere. I think that's at home, so I'll have to put that back on. Yeah, so hopefully for the second round of the championship, if we can end up as we did last time, third overall, that would be great. Cadwell's a hard track, but we'll do our best. We just fired it up again using the new starting method, which was great, and that's it. So I'll update further when we get there. Cheers.